everyone, so this is another vlog with me here at Mama Gaming. Okay, so this is my makeup inspired by Jennie from the MD of Ice Cream. So, and the light is really nice. So finally we received the makeup from Beauty Glaze, and the palettes that we use for the color today are this. Okay, so watch the video and see how I did it. I moisturize my face using Lux Organics Soothing Gel Aloe Vera. As you can see, I'm spreading it all over my face. I used green color corrector from BYS to cover red marks on my face, as I just really have a lot of those because of my eyeglasses. I'll be using Estee Lauder Double Wear Liquid Foundation. This foundation was bought from Dubai by my friend Gilda. Now I'm using a lighter foundation, a lighter shade of foundation as for my first coat. And I'm doing this to skip the concealer part. And then for the second coat, I'll be using a darker shade just so I could transition it to nearly to my original skin color. As you know, Koreans are really light, fair skinned, so I have to do something about that. And now I'm gonna use some foundation on my neck as well because I have neck issues. So there. So I'm using the second coat color for my neck. I brushed my brow using Beauty Glaze pomade in Auburn. So this is free from the pomade that we bought, and this is also the one that I unboxed last time on my previous video. So you better watch that too. So it's really easy to apply. To help shape my brows, I used the concealer from BYS. It's the same BYS color corrector that I use for my red marks. So for this palette, I used Huda Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palette, Coral. That's what it is. So I used the lightest brown to fill in colors to my brows, because I noticed Jennie's brows from the music video is like light brown. So to make sure that I will be able to blend all the colors together on my eyelid, I brushed it with a clean brush just to make sure nothing will stop me from doing that. Then now we're gonna use the color fusion from Beauty Glaze, and I started with the light pink color in my inner lid. So remember the part of the lid and the crease and all that. I mentioned that from my previous video, so watch that too. So now I'm gonna use hot pink, topping the light pink color in my inner lid. And then after that, I'm gonna use violet in my middle lid. So violet is an awesome color, by the way. And now on my outer lid, I'm gonna put a green color. I think this is a bit of a blue-green. Yep. So I'm doing the other eye too at the same time, you know, because I'm excited like that. Alright, so here's the green color on my outer lid. And then I'm gonna top that with apple green eyeshadow color. And then I'm gonna extend it up to my crease. Just because my crease, my bone here, it's hiding my outer lid. So it depends actually on your eye, on the shape of your eye. So there you can see that on my crease, I'm adding more colors. And yes, so more apple green onto my crease for added drama. Now I'm using Beauty Glaze easy to wear long lasting liquid waterproof eyeliner, which is one of my favorite eyeliners because it's just really amazing. It didn't smudge, it didn't make me a zombie, and it was intact. Like I removed it, it was intact. So another from Beauty Glaze is this professional mascara volume curling waterproof mascara. That was very long. So as you can see, the bristles of its mascara, like it's very small. So I really like it because I have a lot of baby hair on my eyelid. Now I'm using Beauty Glaze Long Lasting Soft Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Highly pigmented, waterproof as well. And yes, this is waterproof. It didn't smudge. It stayed intact as well. So next one would be the highlighter, which I just took from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon eyeshadow palette, which I've had since like last year. So eyeshadow lasts for like 2 years. So yeah, I still have a year to use it. I hope I use it every time. It smells like chocolate, by the way. And then Sunny's Fluff Mate in, I think it's Fluff Matte in Nudist. So this is the gift from Misa. And of course, we're gonna make sure that it's spread properly. I'm actually putting lines on my lips just because it's very thin. Like I'm exaggerating it, extending it to make my lips look bigger. And then of course the concealer part, don't forget. It would actually emphasize the lines that we did earlier. And then of course there's this Too Faced Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Tease. That's the color. I love this one. It smells very good too. And then now I'm using Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush. So it's pinky orangey glittery, by the way. And I'm gonna use Mary Kay's Sheer Press Powder Beige to top it all. To make sure it's long lasting, wearable. Then another Too Faced Sweetheart Luminous Glow Bronzer this time. And I'm using it a bronzer, but I'm also using it as contour to put glow on my face. And I also picked a brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette that we used earlier to contour my nose. So just a little contouring, not very much. And now, let's see if I can get the hair done. So while I'm fixing my hair, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel. So currently we already have 144 subscribers and 1,900 minutes watched. So we're only on our 14th day. So thank you so much, guys. And I'm pretty positive that we're going to hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watched. So there you have it. I think I'm able to at least kind of look like her makeup. So alright, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, and also don't forget to click that bell button there so you'll be notified when I have new videos. So thank you, guys. Bye.